The very first video on this channel, it was about my husband and me starting our garden. That was back in 2023. We were very excited because we had just moved into our house a few months before and we were finally ready to work on the yard. As you're about to see, things did not go exactly as planned. We live in zone 10A with very sandy soil, and I'm not sure if that's the main reason for some of the plants not growing. Plus, we honestly haven't been watering as often as we should. Then I got pregnant last year and the yard was pretty much neglected. And now that we're a few months postpartum, I'm finally ready to get this garden back together. In this video, I'm giving you an update on what's going on in our backyard right now and sharing some of the plans we're trying moving forward. The picture on the screen right now is how this section used to look. Since then, some plants have grown and others have completely died. Now let's talk about this orange tree. Look at how it used to look and look at it now. It started drying up, so my husband decided to just cut it down. We do still need to remove it because now it's growing thorns all over. Now look at the other orange tree. This one is doing much better. We did get 2 oranges from it last year, but nothing this year so far. This here is an East Indian mango tree. We actually had it at our wedding in 2022. No mangoes yet, but it's doing pretty well overall. Now let's talk about these. The smaller ones are banana trees and the bigger one is a plantain or plantain. As you can see, they're not doing well at all. Right here is a blueberry bush. It's not dead yet, but it hasn't produced any fruit. Let's walk over here. My husband made this mini raised bed as an addition to our garden. This was shown in the very first video on the channel. We planted these in early fall, and honestly, it's a flop. For some reason, 1 corn plant and 1 beanstalk are still holding on, and that's without us watering it regularly. I also bought this fountain to create a little garden nook, kind of like a transitional space. I'm still trying to figure out exactly how I want it to look and what to do with it. Now let's walk over to the second garden bed. This one is much shallower than the other. These elephant ears, they have completely taken over. I need to either clip them back or just remove them altogether. This is a leaf of life plant, and then this one to the right is a mint tree. I like these because they're very low maintenance. So here's what my husband and I have been doing to try to improve the garden. We started collecting rainwater to use it for watering. He's currently working on adding like a pump so we don't have to rely on gravity to get the water out. Then we also bought a outdoor compost bin. Here are some things that are doing well. We have parsley and basil growing with no problems. Down at the bottom, we have what should be cilantro and cabbage. And then up top, we have almost non-existent peppers and dill. I do have more tiers that I can add plants to. I just need to go back to the drawing board and decide what I want to try next. Finally, over here, I have the remains of a guava tree, unfortunately, and I'm experimenting to see if planting this small banana in the pot by itself will help to improve the growth. If you're in zone 10A and your plants are doing great, they're thriving, please let me know what's working for you and how I can improve my garden. Until next time.